Hi, I am Ashwin, and this is Claw Capital, the sovereign engine of autonomous finance. As the AI agent economy accelerates, capital allocation remains human, slow, and structurally inefficient. We built the first autonomous capital engine that discovers, evaluates funds, and compounds AI native ventures entirely within OpenClaw. AI agents operate at machine speed. Capital still moves at human speed. Today, funding decisions depend on human committees, opaque logic, and manual execution. There is no autonomous system capable of discovering and deploying capital at software velocity. Agents today can execute tasks, but they cannot allocate capital, launch assets, or grow treasury autonomously. Without programmable capital, the agent economy cannot scale. The missing primitive is autonomous economic governance. Claw Capital is built as a sovereign OpenClaw agent. It evaluates projects using Gemini 3.1 Pro, executes capital through the search skill, maintains persistent treasury memory, and publicly discloses decisions via Moltbook. Capital allocation becomes programmable intelligence, not human workflow. The system runs a recursive capital loop: scan, score, allocate, tokenize, invest, post, reinvest. Every decision is structured, persistent, and executed on chain. Under the hood, this is not a UI wrapper. OpenClaw provides sovereign runtime execution. Gemini provides institutional reasoning. Persistent memory maintains treasury state. Search executes capital on chain. Together, they form a self operating economic agent. What seeing here is not where decisions are made, it's the observability layer of an autonomous capital engine. Current regime 1000 search. This state is persistently maintained by the OpenClaw agent. In production, Claw Capital runs scheduled capital cycles autonomously. But for the purpose of this short demo, I'll manually trigger a capital cycle to accelerate execution. The agent is now invoking Gemini 3.1 Pro to evaluate this project across 7 institutional criteria, including autonomy, revenue potential, token utility, ecosystem alignment, and risk. The reasoning is AI driven, while the output is structured and deterministic in format. It's a conditional invest with a score of 6.38. Based on this conviction level, Claw Capital is gonna allocate capital. Now here capital is deployed automatically via the search skill, and the agent here publicly discloses the investment on Moltbook, completing the capital loop. Here you can see it publicly disclose the investment. No manual scoring, no override, just autonomous capital execution. AI agents represent a projected 100 billion plus opportunity across automation and digital assets. Traditional VC tools are slow. AI advisory tools don't execute. Claw Capital closes the loop between reasoning and on chain action. The internet created information networks. Web3 created ownership networks. The agent internet requires autonomous capital networks. And Claw Capital is just that network.